Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your website with Hostinger Website Builder but your domain is registered on Namecheap, you can connect them easily in 2026 without moving or rebuilding anything. You're simply pointing the domain to the hosting and builder, which is the Hostinger using DNS. So most error happen because people mix name services and records incorrectly. So we won't. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Hostinger Websites Builder to Namecheap and 2026 like a pro. Okay, so to get connection details from Hostinger, so log into Hostinger, go to website. You have to upgrade your account. So select your website, open domains. Okay, Hostinger will show you or will show one of these two methods. Method A, name services, and method B, IP address. Okay, so use exactly what Hostinger provides, do not guess. So now log in to Namecheap, go to domain list, click manage next to domain, open the advanced DNS tab, and all DNS changes happen here. Okay, if Hostinger gave you name services in Namecheap, go to domain name services, select costume DNS, enter Hostinger name services, and save. Okay, so DNS control moves from Namecheap to Hostinger, and existing Namecheap DNS records will be ignored. So this is the cleanest and most stable setup. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.